guys, I made heart doilies and an origami heart, and here's what I did. For the heart doilies, you'll need colorful square napkins and scissors. I didn't have any colorful napkins, so I used various shades of pink tissue paper and cut them into squares. Fold the sheet in half, then in half again. Turn the sheet so that the folded corner is towards you. Align and fold the right corner to the left edge. Then align and fold the left corner to the right edge. Cut half a heart shape, keeping in mind that the folded edge is the center of the heart. Be sure to leave a bit of the sheet on the other side so that the heart cutouts will connect. Create more in different sizes, and your heart doilies are done. For the origami heart, you'll need a rectangular sheet of paper. I'm using an 8.5 by 11 sheet. Flip the sheet over so that the design is in the back and the inside of the heart is facing up. Align and fold the top corner to the opposite side of the sheet. Open it and do the same to the other top corner. Then fold the bottom of the sheet to the bottom of the triangle formed. Unfold the triangle and fold the top of the sheet down to the top of the rectangle created. Unfold the top part and make a crease in the opposite direction. Open it up. Press the X created and fold the sides in. This should form a triangle with tabs. Fold both tabs to the top of the triangle. Fold the bottom right side of the sheet to the middle, aligning it with the bottom edge. Do this to the other side and it should form a house. Then turn it over. Fold the top down as far as it can go, and there should be 2 little pockets. Fold the bottom corners to the center, and tuck them into the pockets. Next, bring a top tab as far down to the bottom corner as you can and make a crease. Do the same to the other side. I folded the tabs back using the sides of the triangle as guides. Then tuck them into the pockets. Turn it over and your origami heart is done.